This is a mud balance used to determine the weight of the drilling fluid. It consists of a chamber, the measuring scales, a sliding weight, as well as a fulcrum. Before measuring, it's important to check that there's no dry drilling fluid or residue stuck to the chamber, as this will cause an inaccurate result. Using the balance is simple. Fill the chamber up to the very top with drilling fluid or mud. When you put the lid on the chamber, the drilling fluid will overflow through the hole in the lid. This indicates that we have a full cup of drilling fluid with no air spaces in it. If the drilling fluid is full of bubbles, gently tap the edge of the chamber to help them disperse. After the lid was placed on the chamber and the fluid has overflowed from the hole, close the hole with your finger and wipe the chamber, lid and arm clean. Place the balance on the fulcrum and adjust the weighted slider until the bubble in the spirit level shows that the balance is level. The scales are very delicate and it can take some time before the balance will settle. The mud balance has a number of measurement scales on. Most commonly used is specific gravity or pounds per gallon. Record the reading and monitor the drilling fluid weight as drilling progresses. It's recommended that the entire balance be cleaned after each test to ensure the results are accurate.